Hello guys, welcome back to our fifth project. We're gonna build an AI ransomware detector in Python. First, let's set up our workspace. We need a clean directory structure for machine learning pipeline. I'm creating a folder for our raw data, receipt data, filter, and our model. And I highly recommend using virtual environment for this. We are going to install pandas, skitlearn, and fast API. Once that activate and installed, we can move to step 1, data generation. To train an AI, we need the data, but running actual ransomware on my local machine is a terrible idea, so we're going to simulate and safely use this Python script. Machine learning models don't read raw logs. They read number. We need to engineer behavior filter. We take our raw telemetry and group into 1-minute sliding windows based on the host, the user, and the process name. Here's the secret sauce of this whole project. The metric. We count the number of the write, the number of the unique. Now, for the brain of the operation, we are using a Random Forest Classifier. Why Random Forest? Because it is incredibly good at handle complex nonlinear threshold and minimize false positive, which is crucial in cybersecurity. I'm setting the class weight to balance because in the real world, 90% of activity is benign, and ransomware is rarely no anomaly. Let's run the training script. Boom. Our precision and recall are perfect against our validation set. The model is compiled and saved. Now let's put in the ultimate test. The model is useless if it alerts us after the data is already destroyed. We need to know our time to detect or TDTD. So let's execute it. Look at that. Time to detect is 0 seconds. Because we engineered our filter into 1-minute block, the engine flag the malicious process inside the exact same windows it started. And that is how you use machine learning and catch ransomware before you destroy the network. If you want to read the code, click the threshold or try this out for yourself. I have made the entire repository open source. You can find the GitHub link in the description below. If this video helped you understand behavioral threat detection, drop a like, hit subscribe. So, see you later.